guys, we're excited to announce that we are now a Palomino truck camper dealer at our Newaygo location for Veurink's RV. We have the 1251, one of three that we have. We're working on moving up the other ones, but this one's really awesome. The top comes down when you're driving, so you'll get a lot better gas mileage compared to some of the bigger ones. This one's just under 2,000 pounds. We'll take a quick look inside, and then we'll get some more in-depth footage down the road. But as you can see, it's really spacious with that popped up. It's kind of cool. They also give you some storage that'll attach to here, which is kind of cool. But yeah, it comes with a bathroom, everything you need in the kitchen, big bed up front, tons of natural light when you get these open. And we're gonna have two other floor plans, so make sure you come in and check these out.